everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Randa from Randa Diamond Paints, and today we have a very exciting unboxing in this lovely triangular box, which I've never seen a diamond painting come in before. But anyway, today, like I said, we have a diamond painting from a company that is really quite new to the diamond painting community. I believe it was first, discovered, it was most recognized in the community when I think Jeremy from JMTJ Crafts, I believe is his username, when he did, I think, an unboxing, and then Diamonds and Washi did an unboxing, and I watched that, and she had a lot of really good things to say, and so I wanted to try it out myself, and nothing was really speaking to me until I saw this, and I was like, yes, I have to have her. So let's get this open. This is from a company called True Artist Diamond Painting. It is an Etsy shop. She is, I believe Gracie is the name of the woman, or Grace is the name of the woman who runs it. And oh my god, I can't open the box. And what was I saying? She is adding new artists really readily. So, oh my god, I'm just gonna rip this freaking box open. I swear to god. Oh my goodness. Frick. So I picked up this one. It will be no surprise to you if you've been watching my channel, because you know how I feel about portraits. Some tissue paper. Also, we're in a little bit, for the next few unboxings, we'll be in a little bit of a weird setting. We're actually on my bed because my boyfriend is home and I don't want to interrupt him with my unboxing noises. So, look, is there anything else in here? Oh, there so is. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more. You guys. Okay. So it looks like we've got some Swedish fish. Yum. And then we got, I've seen these, she puts face masks in her kits. This one is a cucumber face mask, so you can self-care while you diamond paint. Awesome. Some Skittles and some Nerds. I will be sharing that with my boyfriend. And then, oh look, a handwritten card that says for Randa. Wow, this is so cute, you guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at how cute that sticker is. Oh, okay, so here is the piece. It's called Zoe. It is a round with ABs, and it is a 50 by 68, but I'll show you bigger in a minute. And then she gave me two. Look at the cat. Oh my goodness. All right, so here is a little page about the artist. I believe it's pronounced Lamb Jasmine Bowman. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced that. Oh wow, she's a brand new artist. She just picked up a paintbrush for the first time in 2020 during the pandemic. Wow, that's amazing. And then all of her socials are down here at the bottom. I believe they have that True Artist Diamond Painting has a few pieces from her. And in case you didn't know, so this is Appreciation of Artists Matters. That's what it says down here. They license all of their artwork. So very exciting. Thank you for purchasing a True Artist Diamond Painting. Yay! So cute, you guys. I love that. All right, let's get into the diamond painting. Look at this little packaging. They got the cute little sticker. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way because that's kind of distracting. All right. Oh, that is so cute. Wrapped with such care, you guys. Okay, so here we are. Oh, interesting. So this canvas, it feels like really good quality. It's almost soft, not as soft as Diamond Art Club, but it feels kind of cottony, question mark? It feels a little cottony. Oh, you guys, let me dump the drills out really quick before we get into that actually. Okay. So here we have just a very standard toolkit, which is fine with me. Comes with a blue pen. I don't see a multi-placer though, so just a single placer blue pen. This is it? Yeah, so this is a Mofsa boat. These are my favorite ones that come in packs. And then a plate of very see-through pink wax. But cute, that's everything you need to get started. So good that it includes that. Then here are the drills. Wow, guys, look at those colors. Heck yeah. All right, now I'm gonna open the canvas and we'll get into the drills. Oh my God, look. Wow. I can actually almost fit her fully in frame, you guys. Look at that. So the edges of this this canvas is scalloped, which is really nice because then it won't fray. This kit has 30 colors, which is less than I was expecting, to be completely honest, for a canvas this big. But yeah, you can see the 2 ABs down here at the bottom, and you can tell because there is an AB after the DMC number. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Look at all the colors and all the detail and the flowers and stuff. I'm interested about what's going on with her skin tone. So granted, let me see. It's made up of a lot of like the triangle symbol. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. I was just missing it. Okay, so 30. We're gonna have to take a look at the colors and see what actually is like in her face here, because right now, I mean, granted, I'm not gonna judge it until it's completely done, but right now it just looks like a mixture of orange and yellow, which is not true to the original artwork. So, but like I said, we'll see once there's actually drills on there. I was worried the same way with Plant Witch, and that's my current whip, and her skin tone is turning out beautifully. So I'm gonna trust the process. Guys, this is gorgeous. And as you can see at the bottom, it does show licensing information. This is part of her Flower Beauty series. And this is Zoe by Lamb Jasmine Bowman. That is gorgeous. Let's test the stickiness really quick. Oh yeah. That's nice and sticky. Perfect. And this is a poured glue canvas, if you can't already tell. And you can tell because of the, what is it called? The clear plastic cover on top. Now I'm seeing what originally scared me, because it kind of looks like rivers and stuff. You see that going through right here, but it's not. It's just once you put your fingers on it, you can tell it's just the clear plastic cover where it is shifted during transit. Just pull it all the way back and lay it flat, and then pull this side all the way back and lay it flat, like halfway and halfway, and that should flatten out the rivers and stuff. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna roll it back up and put it in the box until I'm ready to do it. So it's just gonna shift again. So I'll just wait and do that later. It is branded at the top, which is really cute. They've got their little branding up there. I'm so excited about this kit, you guys. This is a really good size. It's big enough to show a lot of detail, but not like too big that it's completely ridiculous. There is a legend on both sides. So there's a legend down here and there's a legend up here. I don't usually worry about that because I don't use the legends. And then there's a little schematic at the top. So this does not come with an inventory sheet. That is probably the one thing that I wish they would do differently, that I wish they would add to this, would be adding an inventory sheet, because it makes it extremely helpful for me when I go to kit up, that I can just cut the inventory sheet up, throw it in my Xyron sticker maker, and throw it on my containers. This isn't horrible because you can just take a picture of the legend and then I'll print it out and do it that way, but it would be much easier and the symbols would look much clearer if I could just have the inventory sheet to run through the sticker maker. But otherwise, for a brand new company, this looks incredible. Incredible. Let's take a look at the drills really fast. They got this really, really long thing of drills. Okay. Oh God. Sorry. I'm like kneeling on my knees in order to do this, and like my knees are starting to really hurt. Anyway, so there is a few bags of really pretty blue. Let me see if this, yeah, okay, so this number right here correlates with the canvas. So if you store these separately, you'll be able to know which one is which. And then the DMC number is right up there. So 2 bags of 798. Some purples and blues here on the top. And then, oh, that looks like 310. Yup, we've got a bag of 310. But it looks really good. Some red and blue. Here is our first AB. This teeny tiny little bag of 444, this yellow AB. Oh, sorry, you can't even see that. This little yellow AB, really cute. And then right next to it is our other AB. It says 666, which is like a fire engine red. Look how pretty that is. So we're gonna figure out where those go in just a minute. Is that 939? 934. Oh, it's just, I saw it in the light differently. So some browns and dark greens. More greens and like fuchsias. This is a really, really colorful kit. Some red. Oh, there's a lot of that color. What color is that? 3721. There's like 3 or 4 bags of this color right here. And then some more purples and pinks. And like a really pretty yellow. What is that? 743. And some pinks. So the drills actually look really good. I do want to see, oh, let me reposition again. I do want to see what her skin tone is. So 3828 is one of the colors. See if I can find it. Hopefully it's this one. Oh, it is. Okay, so this will be fine. So this is 3828. I don't know if it's showing up well in camera, but it's just like a light brown. So it definitely doesn't fit this yellow symbol we have on the canvas. Is really a light brown. Okay, and then that symbol is 778, which is this like, it's almost like a pinky lavender that you see a little bit spread out here around her eyes and stuff. And then this kind of red is 5 and 4, which is 5 is 3721, which is this sort of reddish color, which will be okay when it's mixed with the other ones. It's just made for shading. And then 3721 and 3328. $30. $33.28. Where are you? Here we go. $33.28. So it's like this sort of dusty rose color, which again is fine for shading and things of that nature. So I completely unfolded all these drills. I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to fold them back up again to get them in the bag, but oh well. So yeah, okay, I'm much less worried about the rendering on her face now, because all of this yellow that you're seeing on her face is actually a light brown. That it really closely resembles the color of her skin tone that you see in this picture here. So that makes me feel a lot better that I was a little bit like, that's yellow and red. That is just yellow and red. So the colors that are on the canvas are not true to the actual colors, which I actually find kind of exciting because then it gets kind of revealed to you. And I love this piece so much, and I'm so excited to actually get started and see what the quality is like as I'm working on it. But right now, like, oh my God, guys, the quality on this kit is insane. It's like Diamond Art Club, like Distracted by Diamonds kind of quality. And that's, I mean, it's not, I don't think anything beats Diamond Art Club. I'm kind of biased like that, but the quality on this is incredible. And so I would highly suggest you go check out their Etsy shop. I will of course link it down below so that you can go take a look. I think she has about 10 to 15 pieces up at the moment, but she's getting more as we go. So I'm super excited about this kit, you guys. And I will of course keep you updated as I work on it. It's probably gonna take me a few months to get to it because I have a lot of kits ahead of her, but I am very, very excited to actually get a chance to work on her. So anyway, that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed looking at this canvas as much as I did. I'm so excited to work on her. Oh, I love it so much. And all the little goodies and touches that came with it, it really is like you get that quality with the small shop feeling, which I think is amazing. So I'm very excited. I really highly suggest you guys go check her out and see if there's anything on her shop that interests you, and if so, get it because I think it's worth it. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Bye.